Hey guys, it is National Email Week, and that means that this tip that I'm about to give you is all about managing your inbox in an easier, simpler way. It is thundering and lightning here, so if you hear thundering, lightning, and rain, the show must go on because life is not always full of sunshine and rainbows. So let's get to the meat and potatoes of this video. This tip is all about showing you how to use your digital project management tool to manage your inbox and all of the things that come at you. We have literally email lists that we've subscribed to, which usually have some great tips in those. We have emails from clients, emails from collaborators that we're working with, and managing those tasks and getting it all done in a day seems like this perfection over progress mindset, and using this tip will allow you to essentially manage your inbox and all of those to-dos based upon your priorities. So stay tuned. I'm about to show you how right now.
Okay, so first things first, when you log into your email, you'll have your unread emails staring you down like a hawk. And I know getting to inbox zero seems like you'll never get there looking at all of this, but this trick is going to help you tremendously. So if you have a ClickUp, Project Manager, Asana, Trello, MeisterTask, there's so many out there. Download that app's Google Chrome extension. I have several Google Chrome extensions up here, as you can see, and I use all of them faithfully. So ClickUp is one of my favorites because you can do the ClickUp for Gmail. I believe Trello and Asana also have the Chrome extension that connects with Gmail. So basically, here's how our inbox looks. I'm going to start from the bottom up. So for example, you want to go through all of these emails one by one and look to see, is this something that you can handle in 3 minutes or less and respond to and get it done? If not, then you need to add it to your project manager for later with a due date so that you can give yourself time to get that done based upon that day's excuse me, based upon your priorities. So if I jump in here and I do a little bit of hunting and pecking. So if it's something that like I'm working on that's really important to me right now, or if it's a client's message or a new lead, I'll look at that first. So for example, if I start with this one, I just signed up for Tailwind. I'm seeing great results with Pinterest. And so if I want to kind of look at what I need to do in this new Tailwind tribe that I'm in, I want to, of course, make sure I'm following the rules so that I can get some reach and visibilities and repins. So right now I don't have the time to do that today because I need to focus on um, my client work. And I want to go to click to add to ClickUp right here. When I do that, a box comes up right here for me to either attach this task to an existing task that I have going on already in ClickUp, or I can add a new task. In this case, I'm going to add a new task. Okay. So actually, let me show you how to do it as a existing task as well. So I'll do an existing task first. So I have a space called marketing and sales, and then I have Pinterest management as a project and management tasks as a list. Now I can look at my Pinterest tags that already exist. Those are 4 tasks that I currently have in ClickUp for Pinterest, but I don't see anything there for, new tailwind tribes. I have reviewed some analytics, but I need to do this task as a brand new task. So if I were to click one of these tasks, it would attach this email that we see here to this existing task. Now, if I want to create this as a new task, it defaults the subject line to the task name, and I don't want that to happen. I want to just take all that out and say, set up in new Tailwind tribe. Or maybe I want to introduce or start, actually, that's what I want to do. Start pinning to new tribe. Okay. And then let's say I want to give myself a due date of that. So I do Pinterest on Thursdays now. And then I can give some details to myself if I want to. I put a due date on it and I can assign that to myself or anyone else on my team. And then, of course, I can create this as a task. As you see, this email is attaching to the task that I'm creating, so I don't have to hunt down this email for what it is. Once you've added as a new task, you'll see here if you're using ClickUp that I can click that task and open that task in ClickUp right now, which is great. Once that task opens up here in ClickUp, I am able to assign subtasks, write more notes, comment, add additional people that I want to assign it to, all that kind of jazz. And it's cool because you can see the preview of the email you just created this task from. And you can also click open in Gmail to open this email back up in your Gmail account. So if it's something like a client message or an email from a referral partner or an affiliate link you just got or something like that, you can, of course, open in Gmail and respond to that client or potential collaborator in a flash right here from the task, which is nice. So you don't have to hunt anything down. If you follow that same method for all of these emails in your inbox, you'll get to inbox zero fairly quickly. If you take about 30 minutes in the morning while you're drinking your morning coffee to do this or make it a part of your day, you can certainly knock that out. Now, for example, I'm going to go to a brand new day so you can see what I mean. I'll go to Monday so you can see how Mondays work. So as you can see, like I have workout in the morning, my breakfast and get ready time, and then I have this organization, bookkeeping, monthly tasking, all things ClickUp. That's when I go through my inbox and prioritize what needs to go and ClickUp. I'll go and ClickUp, look at what I need to do for the day. And of course, when you go into your daily tasks, so I'll just show you like when you go into your daily task, I can see, oh, well, I have this I need to do or that I need to do. And I can look at things by due date and priority. Here's what I need to jump on first. Here's what I need to jump on second. And of course, I just change these due dates and marked a whole bunch of these emails unread to kind of stage this environment to show you how all this works. But, in a flash, I can say, yes, I did this or yes, I did that. And mark these things as complete and they pop off as I finish them. So you can either do the method where you add it to a specific area in your business or create yourself some sort of tending list. I have a tending list for my operations area here. So operations tending list. And then I have daily inbox and to-dos, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly tasks. And these are more so my recurring operations for myself and planning. And then this is daily inbox and to-dos, which is a lot of those items that I move over into inbox. And then I also have a section for client projects and client follow-ups so that if I have a client follow-up that I need to move from my inbox to ClickUp, I can do it that way as well. So I hope that tip helps.
Now, wasn't that so simple and easy and so genius to use? Because your daily project management tool that you use every single day can be the very thing that saves your life to manage your inbox. Because many of you may work with an assistant, a VA, a business partner, or you're just a solopreneur trying to figure out all of the things using your project management tool to basically assign your task priorities and also maybe even assign an email request that you get from a client right in the project manager with the email attached is super, super friendly, and you're giving yourself a due date without being overwhelmed. I hope that this tip has helped you to manage your inbox and make getting to inbox zero a lot more easier to achieve. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. If you want more tips like this, follow me right here on social media for all the goods. I'll be hanging out every single week with a brand new tip. So see you next time. Bye.